Hey guys, what's up? So I recently launched a new business on Instagram and it's called Sultry Scents, and this is where I sell car diffusers. So in today's video, I will show you guys how I created my thank you card / instruction card and also how I print them. So guys, the site that I'll be using is canva.com, of course, and it's the free version that I'll be using.
Alright guys, so this is all finished. I'm gonna go ahead and save it as a PNG file to my PC. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go to Avery.com. Once you get into Avery, it will ask you to enter your template number. The template I used was 28878, and this is the Clean Edge business card. I got this all from Amazon, and I will also link the information down in the description box. So once you enter your template number, you're just going to go ahead and start a new design. So once you get to this page, just ensure you choose the correct template. I will be printing on both sides, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose the bottom one. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and upload my business cards, both front and back. And then you're going to save it as a PDF file.
Alright, so I went ahead and printed the first page, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip it, put it back in the printer, and to print the rest of it. And there you have it guys, that's how I designed and printed my cards. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also go ahead and follow my new business page on Instagram at Sultry Scents. And please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.